In this video, I'm back working on the Lexus. I'm gonna go ahead and fix the fog lights with some 2K clear and some sandpaper, and it comes out pretty good. Alrighty, so later on today, I'm gonna be clear coating some hydrographic items that I've been working on. So hydro dipping is pretty much hard as hell, so and I'm gonna clear coat it with some Spray Max 2K, and I'm gonna have a lot left over, and this stuff is only good for about 48 hours. So I was thinking that I might go ahead and just try to wet sand the fog lights on this car, because they're pretty screwed up. And I don't want to do the headlights yet, because I think I'm just gonna. I don't want to get that involved, because I got like I don't know, 5 or 6. I got like a valve cover and a couple mirrors and stuff like that. I'm gonna end up spraying. So. Pretty sure I can get away with doing these fog lights, and yeah, I'm gonna use a couple different grits of sandpaper and then just hit it with some clear when I'm painting everything. So here's the before, and let's see how this goes. I'm gonna see if I can pull these fog lights out. So the fog lights, they just come out with some 10 millimeters, just 2 10mm holding them in. They come right out. It's pretty simple. Yeah, so they're pretty cloudy. Yellow projectors in there, pretty cool. See if I can make these look a little better. I think I'm gonna hit this guy up with some 400 first. Then I'll go 6, 8,000. See what it looks like. And really, I didn't sand it with 800 or 1,000 grit. I just went 400 to 600. It's pretty much all you need to do. The clear coat would fill in all the scratches. All right, there you go. A little bit of sanding. That's before. It's all pitted and stuff. So I got some pits and things like that. Probably do a little bit more sanding, but if you hit it with some water, that's basically what you're going to end up with when you clear it. It's going to be a little shinier than that, but it looks way better than the old one. Definitely going to be an improvement. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes since I sprayed it. Yeah, make sure you just you cover yourself up pretty good. Use a respirator if you're gonna use that 2K, because it can cause cancer and shit. And the fog lights look pretty darn good. Alright, and then my other project with the hydrographics. Honestly, you know, I wish I had some more paint. That 1 can of paint is not enough to do everything I did, but it did come out okay. The valve cover came out pretty good. The back I got a little shiesty on. You can definitely see it, but this thing here, I barely even got any paint on it. Mirror covers came out alright. Definitely trying to paint too many things at one time. The difference is crazy. Super clear. You couldn't even see the projector before. Yeah, the before and after is just it's pretty damn good. The clear is only like $20, So 20 bucks and some sandpaper, and you got yourself some new fog lights. You can do headlights like that too. You couldn't even see the projector before. Look like these gross ass headlights. Yeah, the results are awesome. Thanks guys for supporting the channel. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of the video. Take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.